İndi dinləyəcəyiniz və mətndə boş yerləri dolduracağınız dinləmə çalışmasında duzun sağlamlığa xeyri və ya ziyanı haqqında danışılır. Başlayaq.
Almost every population around the world eats too much salt, according to the World Health Organization, WHO. Although the WHO recommends people have no more than 5 grams, about a teaspoon, of salt each day, on average, people are eating more than double that, at almost 10.8 grams a day. The chemical name for the salt we eat is sodium chloride. Our bodies need the sodium in this compound to keep a good fluid balance and to keep our nerves and muscles in good condition. However, too much sodium is known to cause high blood pressure, which can lead to more serious health problems like heart disease and cancer. According to the WHO, 1.89 million people are believed to die each year because they eat too much sodium. To reduce the amount of sodium we eat, we not only need to add less salt to our meals, we also need to buy foods that contain less sodium. And if you buy bread, pizza, soups or sauces, there's a good chance they contain a lot of sodium. We also should remember that sodium and salt are not the same thing. Sometimes labels on food might tell us how much sodium there is in a product, rather than how much salt, and that could make us think we're eating less salt than we really are. But there's actually around 1 gram of sodium in 2.5 grams of salt, and the WHO recommends we have just 2 grams of sodium per day. However, scientists say we shouldn't cut salt from our diet completely. Some research suggests that not having enough salt can also lead to health problems like high blood pressure and heart disease.